Totally Thirsty and Happy. Today we'll be building Daily Refinement's photo box. Join us!
Now that we had that awesome intro from Kiera, stay tuned to the very end, because at the very end I am going to break down exactly what we bought for our version of the photo box.
Hour later. Now that we have the photo box built, let's us demonstrate it for you.
I think he was on to something with using that kind of material. Like, does it seem pretty sticky on there?
Yes. It holds to it good.
That's good. I wonder how well it'll do with jeans.
We can try some next.
Now I normally tuck the legs up when we had it on the floor, and so you think the background will grab onto the bottoms of the legs so we can still tuck it up?
It might. Let's try it.
Oh, that's legit. He was definitely on to something with this this light box. It is awesome. Photo box, whatever.
It does work pretty good.
I guess it'll be a little bit different with the hanger, having to like take the pictures of the tags.
So it seems to work pretty good.
Alright. So after taking just a couple of photos, not very many, do you think that this is easier than the setup we had before?
It is easier because you don't have so much bending down.
Yeah, so the ergonomics of it look like it's a lot nicer. He also said to make sure to put the like feet part on the bottom. Is that pretty nice?
I do notice that you like that when you're reaching up at the top and when you're trying to adjust it.
Yeah, so having that foot part bottom, that bottom foot part, is probably pretty important. So.
Now that we've demonstrated how the photo box works, let us give you the breakdown of all the supplies.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Lazy Thrifters version of Daily Refinement's Lightbox. Here is the breakdown. The only difference is that this shop light, we already had one, so we didn't buy one, but this is exactly like the one we have. Another difference is that we used wood for our frame rather than a shelving unit. The main reason for that was because his shelving unit was $300, and we just could not justify spending that much money on our business at this point. Now, he had a bunch of those shelving units kind of attached together, so that made sense for his build, but for ours just didn't make sense. One other thing that we changed was we put some wood in the back of it just to stiffen it up a little bit, because if you watched his video when he's putting things on and off of the insulation, you could see it wobbling quite a bit, and I was afraid it was going to break, and so I just wanted to not mess with that, and so we did that instead. Ours came to just over $100 for the whole thing, which I thought was pretty reasonable for what it is. It does make taking pictures significantly easier, and after a few months of using it, I'm gonna update you guys for sure. I will put this Google Sheets in the description. If you want to download it, you can. It has all of the links for the items that we bought, so you can buy it and build the exact same thing that we built. All right, thanks guys.